Hello guys, this is how I built my MOC for Bastion. I already have a separate video on the MOC itself talking about the scaling, the flexibility and all that stuff, but this is just going to be building it, so I'm going to skip over the information, get right to it. Starting with the body as usual, we got, starting with, I guess this is the neck, shoulder, body area, I don't know. 2 headlight bricks with a jumper plate, and then another 1x1 tile in the middle. Got another one of these upturned 1x2 L sloped pieces. I don't know what these are called. Actually, I think I messed up there. This is gonna go right here. This will go in front. There we are. For the head, just a headlight brick, and then we got one of these pieces with a bar going through it. This is the smallest bar size, and that'll go right there. For the leg, got a donut stud on a robot arm start off with, and then for the armor colors and everything, we got a 1x1 plate with a headlight brick, and then one of these, which those can be found in different like DC and little Marvel smaller packs, but this will just go on there like that. Make sure you line that up properly so it's not completely facing the wrong direction. And then for the foot, we got a 1x2 tile that's going to be facing downwards on the ground. So that's what we got for the 2 legs, and then that'll just obviously lock in like this. Moving to the shoulders now, kind of a disclosure, they are sometimes a little bit fidgety and tend to cause problems. So kind of like my Atriox MOC, this is not going to be a very playable MOC, but it still functions and looks nice. And when I say functions, it does transform and everything just like it does in the game. So I show you how to do that in the other video. So we got another one of these pieces, kind of upturned 1x1 L piece, and then a downturned 2x2 L piece on this bar L piece. Lots of L's. It's a loser. Anyway, so we got another clip there, and then this kind of bar studded thing, and then donut stud, headlight brick, vertical clip. That'll just go on here, so that can all turn. This is actually the same sort of joint that I have on the arms of Atriox. So actually a few different similarities to that. So yeah, that'll turn, and again, this is sort of falling off as I was doing that, so that's kind of my point. For this one, same assembly for the shoulders and the shoulder plates. Different arm assembly though, so we got a forward-facing clip there, and that'll attach to this L piece with a 1x1 with a stud on the top, which I connected a clip to just add some dimensionality to it. So there we are for that, and that'll usually just keep it facing forward, I would say. Same piece that you're going to attach there. So we can go ahead and just shove those in. Don't put them in very deep because you still want the shoulders to have a slight turn this way, so they're not just flat and pushing the arms down. So there we are for that. So we go for the main body now, the big gun on his back. So I don't actually have the pieces that I needed, which was a downwards L sort of piece, 1x1. So I have these navy blue ones. If you have any in gray, go ahead and use that. That would be a lot better. But I got this from the Separatist AAT Star Wars set that I broke down for pieces. Gonna add one of these to it. These are always great for a little bit more dimensionality and shape to things. For the main gun itself, got a headlight brick, always with the headlight bricks, donut stud, and then this little axle piece. I don't really know what it's called because I don't have very many of them, and I've never seen anyone give it a name. And that just rolled away. Give me a moment. It must be pacifist Lego pieces running away from being a machine gun. That'll go right in the top there. And then using these 2 pieces, 2 studs, it'll go on the back as such, and then fold up like this. Okay then, so there we are for the Bastion MOC from Overwatch. Like and subscribe if you like this sort of video. If you want to see how this thing transforms into the big turret, then go look at my other video on this MOC where I go over how it is scaled and all of that. It is a minifigure scale, so that's fun, and it's always something that I try to do. Like and subscribe if you like this sort of video and this sort of content. Put it in the comments, please, if you have anything that I want to build, that you want me to build. I always look at that sort of stuff, so it will always be in consideration. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Have a great day, and keep on building.